Most designers will be replaced in the next 3 years, and I know that sounds harsh, but hear me out for a moment. It's not because of AI or some new platform, it's because too many web designers are building the same kind of websites in the same way for the same type of clients, and they're thinking that's enough. Here's the reality check. Clients aren't paying you to move boxes around the screen anymore. They could do that themselves. They're actually paying you to help them to think, to guide them, and to understand what will make their business work better online. The designers who will survive and will still be here in 3 years' time are the ones who stop selling websites and start selling outcomes. They're the ones asking better questions like what problems the business or the website needs to solve, what kind of people the website is speaking to, and what success really means for that business. So if you're still competing on who can build the cheapest or flashiest website, then you're already losing. But if you start seeing yourself as a problem solver and a trusted advisor, then you're not just surviving the next 3 years, you'll be going on forever. Let me end on this. AI can build a page, but AI can't understand people. That's where you win.